Welcome to Has Academy channel. In today's Daily Spark segment, I'm going to be sharing with you the most important secret for success. The success of yourself and all the people around you and all people you are associated with. It also contributes to happiness of all the people associated with you. And the secret is this: language. What is the kind of language that you are using towards yourself and all the people around you? Are the words positive or negative? Or the words empowering yourself and others around you, or is it demotivating people? Please take note of your language today. Wishing you happiness and success. I hope this video is going to ignite your day today. Please share, like and subscribe for our channel so that you are getting everyday Daily Spark update from us. This is Dr. Poorani, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.